Begin by finding a comfortable position in your bed. Allow your body to settle in, your head resting gently on the pillow, your arms and legs lying naturally without effort. Let your eyes close softly and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and release it gently through your mouth. Let's do that again, breathing in calm and breathing out the day. With every exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. There's nothing to do now, nowhere to be. This time is just for you. Start to bring your attention to your breath, the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. You don't need to change it, simply notice it. Let your breath become slower, softer, and more natural. As you settle into this rhythm, imagine a wave of relaxation slowly moving down your body. It begins at the top of your head, a warm, soft wave, melting away any tightness. It moves down through your forehead, smoothing away any lines of worry. Your eyes soften in their sockets. Your cheeks relax, your jaw loosens, perhaps parting slightly as all tension melts away. Now, let that wave of calm move down through your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of the day sliding off your shoulders, dissolving into the bed beneath you. Your arms grow heavy and warm, relaxed from the top of your shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. Bring your awareness to your chest and your heart. Notice your gentle breathing. Steady, calm, peaceful. With each breath, you are soothing your body and calming your mind. With every exhale, you are letting go, releasing any stress, any thoughts, any tension that no longer serves you. Now feel this sense of relaxation flowing through your back. Each vertebra unwinds, releasing the day's energy. Your body feels fully supported by the bed. There's nothing to hold on to. You can let go completely. The wave of calm continues down through your stomach, your hips, your thighs. These muscles soften and relax, letting go of any holding. Feel the heaviness of your legs as they rest fully against the mattress. Now your knees, calves, and feet relax. Every toe softens. Your entire body is now bathed in peace, warm, calm, and still. Take a few moments just to rest here. Notice the quiet. Notice the softness of your breath. If thoughts come, imagine them as leaves floating down a gentle stream, drifting away effortlessly, one by one. There's no need to follow them, just watch them drift away. Now imagine yourself surrounded by a soft, comforting light, a light that feels safe, warm, and deeply peaceful. It wraps around you like a cozy blanket. This light protects you, it calms you, you are safe to rest. As you lie here, say silently to yourself, "My body is ready to rest. My mind is calm and quiet. I am safe. I am loved. I am at peace." With every breath, you are drifting deeper into stillness, deeper into rest. Your thoughts become slower, softer, farther away. All that's left is your breath, gentle and steady, guiding you into sleep. Now let the rhythm of your breathing carry you. Inhale calm, exhale peace, inhale stillness, exhale release. If sleep hasn't yet arrived, trust that it is coming, naturally, gently. You are in the perfect state for rest. Your body knows how to sleep. Your mind knows how to let go. Soon, you'll drift into a deep, peaceful sleep, where your body restores itself and your mind finds harmony once again. For now, simply rest in this quiet space, floating between wakefulness and dreams, completely calm, completely safe, completely free. Good night and sweet dreams.